We just announced our first therapy. It's a therapy for Krabbe disease, and it's a world's first in-human therapy for this particular disease. What does this mean for the Krabbe community?
We talk a lot about hope, and I think this is a place where it's really relevant to use that term, because prior to this therapy going to the clinic, the standard of care was really bone marrow transplant. And while that's somewhat effective, it doesn't completely rescue the disease. And so using AAV gene therapy along with BMT has the potential benefit of really rescuing these patients and allowing them to live a much more normal life.
And bringing hope.
And bringing hope to them and their family.